Hey, I'm Dan Delaney, and I'm traveling the world tasting the best street food around. Today, we have a really exciting episode. We got backstage access to a brand new truck that's opening this morning. We're going to show it to you today, only on VendrTV. So I'm here with Colin Reedy. He is the designer behind Maximus Minimus. I thought you could maybe talk to us a little bit about the design process, where the Inspirato came from, and how it materialized into what we're seeing today.
The inspiration was essentially a big iron riveted pig. Not a cute cartoon pig, but something that looked like an old boiler, an old industrial blast furnace with lots of rivets and bent steel and rusted parts and so forth. So that was the initial inspiration. Also references from like 30s, 50s sci-fi. Some of the old streamlined forms like the Raymond Loewy train or the Dymaxion car from Buckminster Fuller and so forth. So did a little research, and as you can see, some of the designs on the wall was our starting point. With a windshield and with a hood and so forth. Yeah, we had to do quite a bit to try and pull sinister out of it.
Wonderful. So you want to show us the features?
Sure.
What is it made out of, and how did that all come to?
It's all a steel frame that's been welded or bolted or fixed to the body of the truck.
And so the ears, is that just fiberglass?
No, actually there's a steel frame in there. In fact, that was
yeah.
One of the fun parts, because I had to get up and down the ladder about 100 times,
yeah.
Just looking at the model and then going back to the pig and getting up there and bending it. Once you've bent one, and then you sort of reflect the other. But since it's a pig, and it can be a little different, but they're pretty close.
Did you have fun making it?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, no, it was a good time.
So we're here with Kurt Dameyer. He's the owner and the chef behind Maximus Minimus, which is behind us. So could you talk to me a little bit about your background in the food industry?
We had made a barbecue sauce for my restaurant that was pretty creative and interesting. And then we did a pulled pork sandwich for a charity event, and it was a big hit. People were really liking it. And so then over a couple of years, that idea basically turned into doing a pulled pork sandwich business. We are rubbing the pork, and then we're grilling it, which gives it kind of a smoky flavor. Then we braise it, and then the barbecue sauce has a smoky flavor in it as well, primarily because of the one kind of, it's not secret, but one kind of interesting ingredient, which is Lapsang Souchong smoked tea.
That's a lot of fun.
We're having a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
I mean, how can you not have fun? First of all, pulled pork is great, but second of all, a giant pig on wheels.
Yeah.
You have to start with the idea that you're gonna have fun. Okay.
So check them out online. It's maximus-minimus.com. And if you're in Seattle today, or if you're within 300 miles, get in the car, drive to them. Today's Wednesday, the 3rd of June. They're open and they're serving delicious food. So that is Maximus Minimus. Even though I didn't get to taste the food, it sounded delicious, and they are open today. So even if it's raining in Seattle, come out, because this pig loves mud. Check us out online at vendr.tv for more information on this truck or any of the trucks that we cover. As always, I'm Dan Delaney, and I encourage you to eat the street. See you next time.